Daddy doesn't know 100% where he is. Thank you. Empty pool deck.
Alright, so where is it?
That way.
This way. It's this way. Look. Just look. Get up early. This place is a ghost town. We got up. We figured we'd go here before breakfast because lots of people do mini golf. And we'll see if we could do it without. There's no attendant here. We'll see.
Did not work.
Go, 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 go!
We'll just take a minute. I don't even know if we're on the same side.
We are. I don't think we're gonna see something this far back though. I know, buddy, I've got a good hold on it. Really churning it out. There's a piano in an elevator right now. Gonna check out Blaze. Just wanted to see if it was cool. There's something going on. There's something going on.
Let's keep going.
The inside of this thing.
I guess this floor is the loyalty desk, but maybe on floor 11, this is a card room, which means that people can go and relax and play cards.
Oh yeah, I saw that actually on the listing.
But it's not a card room here. It's loyalty desk, but nobody's here. Where you going, pilot? Off into the wild blue yonder. This water's so nice.
So if there was a shuttle that was going to run.
If there was a rocket launch. They're dredging.
Oh yeah. Get in, you're missing a dolphin.
Dolphin?
Yep.
It's by the buoy. Watch near the buoy.
And you're just looking for a little triangle of like black coming up through the water. I think mommy might have gotten it. I don't know.
I'm not sure either. I have a video rolling, but oh, there it is.
Yep. Oh yeah.
All the people who chose not to get off the Mardi Gras. But they've got like a ropes course. Oh, they've got a roller coaster that's going too.
Yep. That's impressive.
I think they're one of the only ones that have roller coasters at sea.
I'm spot here, buddy. Ready? The roller coaster's going to come around. And it's going to come up that side right about now.
I know. I saw it.
It's cool. NASA away in the distance. It's the wonder, isn't it? That's the one that's bigger than us.
Yeah, no kidding. I thought we were on pretty much the biggest thing that I'd ever seen. That's the biggest one in the world.
So far, yeah.
Holy mother of God.
huge. That would not fit under the bridge. So that's the double back line to get off the ship. It's busy. We're almost out. Florida. Woo! That was a step. Gideon's first time in Florida. You get to see palm trees in person, buddy. You ready for palm trees in person? Okay. Oh look, there's more people that getting off down there. It's probably shore excursion people. The boardwalk at night. And Aqua 80s just let out. There's a mass of humanity in front of us. Yeah, we're leaving. We're leaving port. Next stop, Nassau, Bahamas. That's a heck of a ship.